Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di perjalanan karir gua. Kali ini kita akan melakoni laga melawan Arsenal di lanjutan Premier League.
There's no getting away from it. This is the man so many people have been focusing on ahead of this particular game. Well, since it's his first start here today, a big day of course. What was that experience like for you, Stuart?
Well, I certainly enjoyed my...
Permainan berlangsung keras. Di awal pertandingan, Tomiyasu melakukan tackle berbahaya ke arah Marcus Rashford, guys. Sontak saja, aksi Tomiyasu tersebut memicu ketegangan.
Win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Tim tuan rumah melancarkan serangan lebih dulu lewat kerjasama Odegaard dan Saka. Namun untungnya, serangan mereka masih belum membuahkan hasil, guys.
Play with energy and resilience. I think they're going to draw out this game.
Tim gua tentunya nggak tinggal diam. Lewat kerjasama apik gue dan Dalot, kita berhasil memberikan ancaman ke gawang Arsenal.
Can they jump in front? Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it.
Di menit ke-16, teman gua Alvaro Morata berhasil membuka keunggulan kita lewat skema sepak pojok, guys. Skor 1-0, kita unggul sementara.
Well, here it is again. It's a good delivery from the corner, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal. Well, that reaction says it all. That's such an important goal in this game.
Kita mencoba membangun serangan lagi, guys. Kali ini, kerjasama antara gue dan Dalot memberikan ancaman ke gawang Ramsdale. Arsenal juga nggak tinggal diam. Mereka mencoba melakukan beberapa serangan. Namun untungnya, usaha mereka masih belum membuahkan hasil, guys. Di menit ke-40, gua kembali mendapatkan peluang emas, guys. Namun sayangnya, tendangan gua masih bisa digagalkan oleh kiper Arsenal, Aaron Ramsdale. Tim tuan rumah tetap bermain dengan cukup keras, guys. Gua pun sempat mendapatkan tackle keras dari Gabriel Jesus. Singkat cerita, babak pertama pun berakhir. Skor masih tetap sama, 1-0 untuk keunggulan kita, guys. Di babak kedua, Arsenal bermain menyerang dan mendapatkan peluang emas di menit ke-64. Namun untungnya, Andre Onana masih bisa mengantisipasinya, guys. Setelah itu, giliran Bruno Fernandes yang mencoba peruntungannya. Namun, kiper Arsenal masih terlalu tangguh untuk ditaklukkan, guys. Di menit ke-77, lewat skema serangan balik, gue berhasil menggocek pertahanan lawan dan memberikan umpan manis ke Alvaro Morata, guys. Keunggulan kita pun bertambah menjadi 2-0. Setelah itu, Arsenal kembali bereaksi. Hasilnya, di menit ke-82, Gabriel Jesus berhasil mencetak gol untuk memperkecil ketertinggalan mereka. Skor sementara pun berubah menjadi 2-1, guys.
Well, look at the finish here. He's just eased that beyond the keeper. That's a good goal, you have to say.
Di menit ke-89, Arsenal hampir saja menyamakan kedudukan. Untung saja tendangan dari Davies masih bisa ditepis oleh Andre Onana guys.
Well, what drama late on. It's a big chance, but I have to say, that's a magnificent save.
Sampai laga berakhir, hasil pun tetap sama guys. Kita menang dari Arsenal dengan skor tipis 2-1.
Probably just about edged it overall and deserved the result in the end.
Pas di ruang ganti, semua pemain nampak senang dengan hasil yang kita dapatkan guys. Tak terkecuali pelatih kita, Erik ten Hag. Dan setelahnya, kita pun pulang dan beristirahat dan bersiap untuk laga berikutnya melawan Brighton. Seminggu setelahnya, tibalah saatnya kita untuk menjamu Brighton di kandang kita sendiri, Old Trafford.
Stay with us, we'll have all the action for you from Manchester here on EA TV Live.
Di awal babak pertama, kita bermain cukup agresif dan mencoba bermain menyerang. Namun sayangnya, belum ada satu gol pun yang berhasil kita ciptakan.
You and togetherness, and that's what United keep on showing, Stuart.
Well, they've been so well organised defensively. They press the ball from the front. The midfield play.
Di menit ke-19, Rashford mendapatkan peluang emas usai menerima crossing dari gua. Namun sayangnya, tendangan Rashford masih jauh melenceng dari arah gawang.
Which he made look so easy.
Terus menyerang, tim gua akhirnya membuka keunggulan. Alvaro Morata sukses membuka skor setelah menerima umpan dari gua. Skor pun berubah menjadi 1-0 untuk keunggulan kita guys.
Well, as the replay shows, this is all about his ability to find space in the box, which then makes the finish look so much easier. That's good play from him.
Setelah gol dari Morata, kita kembali memborbardir gawang Brighton. Di menit ke-35, gua kembali memberikan assist cantik ke Alvaro Morata. Namun sayangnya, sundulan Morata masih bisa ditahan kiper Brighton guys. Sampai babak pertama berakhir, tidak ada lagi satupun gol yang tercipta guys. Skor pun tetap sama, 1-0 untuk keunggulan kita. Di babak kedua, tim tamu bermain cukup keras. Keributan pun terjadi setelah Bruno Fernandes mendapatkan tackle berbahaya dari pemain Brighton. Namun wasit dengan cepat melerai keributan tersebut guys. Tak ketinggalan, gua pun tidak luput dari incaran mereka. Di menit ke-73, Sofyan Amrabat berhasil menambah keunggulan kita menjadi 2-0. Mendapat umpan dari Luke Shaw, Amrabat sukses menyerangkan bola ke sisi kiri pojok gawang lawan.
Genuine chance, and it's in for Manchester United. They are on a victory course.
Well, here's the replay. He does well to find that bit of space in the box, and then he shows a lot of composure to finish it off. That's a good goal. Well, no wonder Erik ten Hag's delighted. They're bossing the game now.
Di menit ke-85, gue hampir aja berhasil memperbesar keunggulan kita. Namun sayang, tendangan gue masih bisa ditepis oleh kiper Brighton, guys. Singkat cerita, laga pun berakhir dengan kemenangan telak kita 2-0.
The end because they were tactically superior, had better individuals, and were always a threat going forward. It was a really good performance and a good result as well.
Setelah ini, kita harus bersiap-siap karena kita akan menghadapi Bayern Munchen di laga perdana grup stage Liga Champions di Allianz Arena. Sebelas pemain pun dipilih dan gua terpilih menjadi starting line up. Pertandingan melawan Bayern Munchen ini adalah pertandingan pertama gua di Liga Champions, guys.
And these talented teams, which one will outwit the other in a stadium both packed and passionate? So many questions to be answered on a day of destiny. It's Bayern, they face Manchester United, and it's live on EA TV. And good.
Pertandingan berjalan dengan sengit dan keras. Beberapa tackle dan ketegangan pun sempat terjadi, guys. Di menit ke-10, tim gua sempat unggul lebih dulu lewat sepakan keras Bruno Fernandes.
Well, that reaction says it all.
Menit ke-12, Leroy Sané mendapat kartu kuning setelah menekel Luke Shaw dengan keras.
The matter rests there. So we have an early booking here to report, Stuart.
Yeah, I think the referee's absolutely right. He's just making it clear to all the players out there, he's not going to take any messing about here.
Semenit setelahnya, Leroy Sané justru berhasil menyamakan kedudukan lewat skill individunya.
Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long, and this match is level again.
Well, this is worth seeing again. Just look how easy Sané beats his man here. And what a clinical finish this is from Sané. He hits it with such power. That's a good goal.
Menit ke-40, gua mendapatkan peluang emas lewat kerjasama dengan Bruno Fernandes. Namun sayang, Manuel Neuer berhasil menanggalkan tendangan gua dengan mudahnya, guys. Peluang gua itu adalah peluang terakhir kita di babak pertama ini, guys. Alhasil, babak pertama pun berakhir dengan skor imbang 1-1. Singkat cerita, babak kedua pun dimulai. Di menit ke-62, kita mendapat hadiah tendangan bebas setelah Diego Dalot dilanggar oleh pemain Bayern Munchen. Pun, tendangan keras Bruno Fernandes lagi-lagi bisa digagalkan oleh Manuel Neuer.
Nothing wrong with that free kick either.
Setelahnya, di menit ke-69, justru tim tuan rumah yang membalikkan keadaan. Lewat gol kedua, Leroy Sané.
Scoring four.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And then the perfect finish from Sane. He really does hit this with power. That's an excellent goal.
Walaupun sempat tertekan, namun tim gue akhirnya bisa menyamakan kedudukan. Berawal dari kerjasama gue dan Dalot, Alvaro Morata sukses menyerangkan gol penyeimbang di penghujung laga, guys.
Well, just look at his movement. He knows exactly how to find space, and it's also a tidy finish. That's a nice goal. Well, that picture says it all. His team are back in the game now.
Skor 2-2 pun bertahan hingga akhir laga, guys. Hasil yang kurang memuaskan bagi kita, but it's okay. Gak ada yang mesti disesalin, karena tim tuan rumah juga bermain sangat baik, guys. Dan kita juga harus move on, karena 3 hari lagi kita akan berlaga di lanjutan Liga Inggris melawan Burnley. Hari ini kita bertandang ke markas Burnley untuk menjalani laga lanjutan Liga Premier Inggris.
Awaiting two teams who like nothing better than to test themselves on a stage like this. The tricky part is trying to decide which side will outfox the other.
Hello and welcome to the footballing hotbed that is.
Laga berjalan seimbang. Di menit keempat, Alvaro Morata mendapatkan peluang emas pertamanya. Namun sayang, tendangan Alvaro Morata masih bisa ditepis kiper Burnley.
Outdone himself with that save.
Lewat skema serangan balik dan skill individu dari gua, di menit ke-11, gua berhasil mengirim assist ke Alvaro Morata untuk gol pertama kita. Kita pun unggul sementara dengan skor 1-0, guys.
On the mark. And a goal! 1-0 it is. They've been pushing for the opener and now they have it.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is. Well, he has to get his team playing again. This isn't going to plan.
Di menit ke-27, kita kembali mendapatkan peluang emas. Namun sayangnya, tendangan Bruno masih bisa ditangkap kiper lawan, guys. Beberapa menit setelahnya, tim tuan rumah hampir menyamakan kedudukan. Untungnya, gol mereka dianulir karena offside.
Is the verdict.
Well, it's a good finish, but he was just offside. Great decision by the assistant.
Di menit ke-36, kita kembali membahayakan gawang Burnley. Namun sayangnya, Alvaro Morata gagal mengeksekusi peluang tersebut menjadi gol.
So that was going to be another goal from him.
Well, a chance for his second there. Probably should have done a bit better there, really.
Babak pertama pun berakhir dengan keunggulan kita 1-0 guys. Di babak kedua, tim tuan rumah mulai bermain menekan. Hasilnya, di menit ke-50, Ekdal berhasil menyamakan kedudukan lewat sundulannya.
Here and a goal to square the game. Into the seat stuff.
Well, here's the replay, and they work it well just to change the angle on the cross, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Setelah gol tersebut, kita terus menekan dan mencoba untuk mencari gol kemenangan. Namun, pertahanan Burnley masih sangat kuat guys.
Tried to hit them, not quite accurate enough though.
Barulah di menit ke-87, kapten kita Bruno akhirnya berhasil mencetak gol kemenangan.
At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and the strike from Fernandes is absolutely perfect. Pace, power, and accuracy. What a player he is.
Sampai laga berakhir, tidak ada lagi gol tercipta. Kita pun berhasil meraih poin penuh di kandang Burnley.
A performance all told.
Well, Derek, what a good finish to the game that was. They just wore down the opposition, and in the end, they got their reward. That's a really good win for them.
Di ruang ganti, Ten Hag menyambut kita dengan pujian. Karena berkat kemenangan ini, kita sukses bertengger di puncak klasemen sementara Liga Inggris dengan perolehan 18 poin. Oke guys, sampai sini aja dulu cerita gua di episode kali ini. Terima kasih buat kalian yang udah nonton dan like video ini. Gua Eden Yarsa, gua pamit undur diri. See you in the next video guys.